Namaste. I am Sajid Surendran from ADM Solutions. This time we are going to discuss about CNC laser blanking solution. When I have visited HG Tech and China, this technology really got stuck to my mind because this is going to be the future and which is going to be really beneficial for our sheet metal fabricators in India. How this is going to be beneficial for us? First thing, it will help us to reduce input cost. Another aspect, it will help us to reduce a lot of operational hurdles. It is almost like 2 or 3 or 4 laser cutting machine in single platform, and a single operator is going to handle the entire operation including decoiler, straightener, etc. How this is going to be? Exciting, right?
You can see the basic structure. Now I am here where the laser blanking machine is under production, which is having 4 laser cutting heads. Look at here, laser blanking, 3.5 meter by 1.65 meter, 4 numbers of cutting heads. We can see the 4 numbers of cutting heads which can work simultaneously. Once the cutting is done, it will be going through the conveyor. This is the controller. It has 4 independent controller and 1 master controller. This is basically the master one. This can control all the other 4 controller, and this can be either by zip cut, also by Siemens also. And you can see here, all are independently controlled. Pretty easy. This is the unloading area. Once the laser cut is completed, this will be come out here and this can be moved to the container. However, the operation procedure demands.
This technology is really established for us. Lot of installation across the globe. Lot of global MNCs are using this kind of machines. We have installed this kind of machine in India also. To know more about the details, how this is going to be beneficial for you in your shop floor and other related aspects, please connect me through the WhatsApp number here or through the email ID as well. My suggestion is, please do like, subscribe and share to your friends and business circle. Thank you very much. See you in next video.